Welcome back to SPF Eco Machines. I'm Roy, and in today's video we're going to show you how to shrink our L500E Electric Mini Loader. Kind of. We've recently had one of our wonderful potential customers ask how easy is it to lower the rollover frame of our L500E loader. Well, that's a very good question. So let's take a look. So it's a fairly straightforward operation. All we have to do is undo and release the top two nuts and bolts, slacken off the bottom two, and then the frame folds back and out of the way. Right, let's do it. Easy as that. So now we've got the rollover frame out of the way, the height of the machine is now approximately 156 centimetres. Most of our mini loaders can have their roll frames removed to get into smaller spaces. Obviously, we do recommend you fold them back into place as soon as possible so that they can continue to give you rollover protection. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to hit the thumbs up and do all the subscribe stuff. And if you have any great ideas for our next video, then let us know in the comments below.